The early oil industry in Alberta was a risky business with crude technology, and one of the most dangerous jobs was shooting nitroglycerin down a well to break up hard rock so the oil could flow more freely. There was no formal training for oil well shooting, but the pay was good if you had the nerve. Charlie Stonecker was one of the best shooters around. He worked the north-south line between Alberta and Montana, and in more than 50 years never made a fatal mistake, a rare distinction for the job. Stonecker got his first opportunity as an oil shooter in 1922 when Shorty Glass was killed in an explosion.
They had a fellow blown up and needed a man and talked me into going over to Casper, Wyoming, and I went to work for the Independent Torpedo Company. I worked for them for 14 years altogether.
Most of his work was in the oil industry, but he took other jobs too. His most creative explosion cleared the plugged-up sewer system in the town of Shelby, Montana. He set the charge and let her go, and the sewage fell down like rain. Risk was just part of the calculation. For Stonecker, handling nitro was an art and science that demanded ironclad nerves, unfailing respect for the hazards, and a good sense of humor between blasts.
It was a patrolman. He wanted to look my car over, and I told him, okay, so I walked the glycerin box. I had an empty canvas I was bringing back, and he picked up one that had some glycerin in it, and I said, that one has still got some liquid in it. He said, liquid what? And I said, nitroglycerin. He eased it down and
By the early 1950s, many oil companies were using pressurized water and sand to fracture the rock. While the industry moved to safer methods, the legendary Nitro Charlie kept on working with his chosen material well past retirement age. He died peacefully with his boots off at the grand age of 87.